Yes, we'll continue with page number 42. Okay, typing text in MS Word. Finish off with the rules. There's more rules to it. There's more rules. It says keep the caps lock off. So if you look at the keyboard, the extreme left hand side, you'll find caps lock. Caps lock means all your text will be in capital letters. So we'll just try it out. So I'm about to press caps lock. If you look at it right now, CAPS, caps, LOCK. Okay, this is how I normally write my text. Okay, when the caps lock is off. But now if I keep the caps lock on, if I put the caps lock on, 1, 2, 3, I press the caps lock, you'll find if I write CAPS, LOCK. So as I write, if I keep the caps lock on, the text which I type will all be in capital letters. So one of the rules is to keep the caps lock off. Okay, always keep the caps lock off. In case you wish to type 1 or 2 capital letters in between. Okay, what I'll do is I'll switch off the caps lock. So now if I want to type anything, in. If you can see, I wrote IN in small letters, but as soon as I press the space bar, the I automatically turns into capital. So this is one feature which you see in MS Word. After a punctuation sign, if in case you type in small letters also, it will automatically change into capital letters. But if I don't want the capital letters, what I can do, I just again remove it. How do I remove? I press the backspace key. Okay, I'll show you. IN. Can you see? I had removed IN earlier, and again if I type IN after the punctuation sign, I don't get the capital letters automatically when I press the spacebar key, because I've already undone it. Okay, I remove it again. If I type it, I will not get the capital letter. So if I want to remove some text, in case I want to remove this caps lock in. Okay, I'm right here. If you can see, my cursor is right here. If I press the backspace key, 1, 2, it's disappearing. Okay, it disappears. Okay, that is with the help of the spacebar key. So if I want to remove any particular, say for example, I want to remove changing case, I just click on it. Either I press the backspace key or I press the delete key. Okay, there are two options. Either you press the backspace key. If you look at the keyboard, you'll find backspace, 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 or the delete key, BACKSPACE or DELETE, or delete key, backspace or delete. So I'll press the backspace key, 1, 2, 3, it removes. I press the delete key, it gets removed. So delete means if I want to remove a particular word, say for example I'm here, if I press the backspace delete key, can you see? It gets removed. If I press the backspace, this was the delete key. I press the delete key. I'm here. If I press the delete key, the text on the right hand side, of the cursor gets deleted if I press the delete key. If I press the backspace key, the text to the left hand side of the cursor gets removed. Can you see? Okay. My cursor is here. If I press the delete key, the text on the right hand side of the cursor gets removed. Can you see? Okay. Now from here, if I press the backspace key, the text towards the left hand side of the cursor gets removed. Okay. But if I want this text back, okay, I have removed, I have clicked on the backspace key, I have deleted, there's nothing on the screen, there's nothing on the document area, it's blank. But if I want it back, all I have to do is I have to press on the shortcut called CTRL-Z. See? As I press CTRL-Z, I get everything back. I'm on pressing the CTRL-Z. Okay. Got it? Or over here, right? CTRL plus Z. CTRL plus Z. What it does, the shortcut is UNDO, undo. Whatever I have undone, whatever I have did, it undoes it. Undo. So for example, I'll remove undo, backspace. If I want it back, I'll press CTRL-Z. It comes back. Okay? This is a new shortcut. Just remember it. So going back to the rules. Okay, another thing we were talking about. In case you wish to type one or two capital letters in between, you use the Shift key. Okay? So right now, you'll see my text this is in capital letters. So if I want, so for example, see I've done CTRL-Z. If I want to use a capital C, if I want to use a capital C, all I have to do is press Shift. If you look at the keyboard, you'll see a Shift. You'll see a Shift command, Shift key. Press Shift, okay, and type the text, alphabet C. It's in capital letters. Okay. Otherwise, see if your caps lock is off, you'll see a small alphabet. If you want a capital letter, you press the Shift and the particular key. Okay, Shift A, Shift G, all capital. Instead of pressing the caps lock on, you can see the caps lock is on. Okay, you can see the caps lock is on. So everything, whatever I type, will all be in capital letters. SAVE, save your document. And you see, everything is in capital letters. So if I again press the caps lock will disappear. SAVE, save your document. And you see, the beginning of the sentence automatically changes to a capital letter. Okay, I hope you're all getting this. So I have typed a few texts. Okay, I need to save this document. So how do I save? Saving the current document. This is my current document. Okay, how do I save it? When you have finished working with your document, save it before you exit. Okay, this is it for today. I need to save my work. So how do I do it? I have to go to File, click on the File tab, click on Save. So when I click on Save, the Save As dialog box appears. This is called the Save As dialog box. Okay, so you click on. So where do you want to save? Let's click on Desktop. I want to save my work in the desktop. So file name is up to you. You can choose your own file name. You can remove this. What I've done is the beginning of the text. Okay, the beginning, whatever the text which you have used, typing text in MS Word, it automatically takes this as your file name. But you can always remove this and write your own text, whatever file name you want to save it as. Right? So I want to save it as class 3 ABC saving a document, saving a document. So I'll just click on the save button. Okay, this is how you save your work. When you have finished working with your document, save it before you exit MS Word, and later open this document and work on it. So I can always save this document, and next day and next time when I open my computer, I can always continue from what I have saved. So step 1, click on the save icon. Okay, either you click on the save icon in the quick access toolbar, or you can press file and click on the save button, and the shortcut to save is CTRL plus S. CTRL plus S. Okay, so after all this is done, you need to click on save. I clicked on save, so I'll close this document. Okay, I'll close this document, right? So we'll go to the desktop. Where is it? Here. My document in my desktop, I saved this as class 3 ABC, saving a document. So if I click this, you'll find the document. The last thing what I've done is it still remains intact, is there. A document can be saved by another name. For this, click on the save as. Now, if you have seen, I clicked on file, I clicked on save. Okay, so once I click on save, whatever I've done, it will remain till here. The file name will remain the same. If in case I want to save this same file, okay, enter same file in another format or another place. Right now I have saved it in my desktop. I want to save it in another drive. What I'll do is, I'll go to file, I'll go to save as. I don't go to save, I click on save as, I get the same option. Okay, if I click on save, it will get saved in the same file. Okay, but I go to file, click on save as, I choose a different destination. Let's go to local disk E or SSF. Okay, we'll save it here. Save. So SS. Okay, you will find this folder here, the file here, and you will find the file in the desktop. So I have saved the same file in 2 different places. Okay, this is how you use the save as command. Exiting MS Word. How do you exit MS Word? Once you have finished working with MS Word, you must close the MS Word application. To close the MS Word application, use one of the following methods. Click on the exit button in the file tab. Either you click on file tab, click on exit. Okay, you want to save? You want to save? Okay, don't save. It's up to you. Okay. Click on the close button. Next, click on the close button and the window control box located at the top right hand side. This is my. If I click on the X button, it closes. Okay. If it's a blank document, if you have not done anything, it will automatically just close on its own. But you have made some changes. This is a document. This is document 3. I've made some changes. If I click on the X, the close button, it will prompt me whether you want to save the file or not. Okay. So right click on the title bar and select the close option and press Alt F4. So you don't have to do all this. Either you just click on the X button. If you have made any changes, it will automatically prompt you whether you want to save the file or not. If you have done some work, you can click on save. Otherwise, don't save. Okay. Similarly, this is a blank document. If I click on the close button, it will not prompt me anything. It will just close on its own. You see? So there is something here. There is some text here. If I close, it will prompt me. Can you see? It has prompted me, do you want to save the document? Okay.